people, it's cooking time. See what I'm cooking. I have 4 slices of fish in there. I don't know what's the name of this slice. And I also have these moringa leaves to make my meal that I cook more healthier. For today's video, I have water here that's boiling already. And I already have spices in there like ginger and onion. I just added that before this water boiled, and since this is already boiling, I have to add moringa leaves. Moringa leaves is so healthy, and if you're just interested to know what's the health benefits of that leaves, moringa leaves, you may check in Google, people. And of course, I'm gonna add the fish, sliced fish. I got 4 slices here. So another slice, and we have senior citizen here, just my mother, which is soup is life for her. Like, as I learned from my mother, that every time she eating, she wanted soup. And according to her, if she eating with soup, it's easy for her to swallow. So that's how my mother said. She said that when she every time she eat, it's easier for her to eat with soup. So I guess that's the nature of elders now while eating. But I guess not all. Just only my mother likes to have soup every time she eat, because according to her, it's easy for her to swallow. So that's it. And then let boil that one so that the fish and moringa leaves cook. And of course, I'm going to add salt and a little bit seasoning in there. So it's boiling now, people, and I'm going to wait at least like 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes before it cook. So don't forget to click subscribe our channel, and God bless.